In today's video, you will see a lot of hairstyles with the silk scarves and a few ideas how to keep them in place. Also, you will learn how some little details can change your look completely. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. And now, let's tie our scarf. This is my beautiful Couleurs de Masala scarf by Hermes. For the first few styles, let's fold the scarf at the form of a triangle. Just cover your head and tie the ends behind. This is a simple bandana style. Another version of this style looks like this. Tie the ends behind and only after that hide the middle end. Also, you can tie the ends like this. I have a small ponytail, but now it looks like I have a huge bun under the scarf. I like to wear it shifted back with a hat. For the next style, you will need a smaller scarf, or you can fold a big scarf like this to make the middle end shorter. Tie the ends behind. You have this cute paysan style headscarf. Now, let's start our variations. You can shift it back. Fix it with hairpins. Another variation that I see everywhere is to shift the scarf back and release a lock of hair. Also, this style looks amazing if you have a fringe. The next style is a beautiful flower style. Tie the opposite corners of your scarf. Twist to other ends like this. And pull. It creates this beautiful flower. This flower looks perfect on the beach. You can wear it like this. Or like this. If you wear it this way, it looks very 1970s. What do you think? Personally, I love to make the flower from this scarf. Smaller size, basic colors. I tie my hairs up and the flower. This style I like to wear with a trench coat. For the next style, fold your scarf as a large band. This style is perfect for hiding roots if you don't have time to dye your hair. This is the most common way to wear it. And again, if you shift it back, fix with the bobby pins, it will look very different. This style has a lot of variation. Et voilà! a few strands of hair, it looks completely different. Also, if you wear it this way, it will look very rock and roll. Another variation is to bring the knot on the side. By making the band larger, you can achieve this unusual look. Beautiful. Or you can twist your band a few times to make it slimmer. By the way, I have another video on summer style headscarves, and I will link it at the end and in the description. Oh la la! Now let's make a turban headband style. Cross the ends on the front. Tie them behind. And again, play with the position of your headscarf to achieve different looks. Another variation is to wear it like this. It looks lovely. Some retro vibes, don't you think? Next, let's attach our scarf to a ponytail. I always worry to lose my precious scarves. If you just tie your scarf like this, you can lose it easily. I found a way to make this style with ponytail secure. Pass your scarf through the second scrunchie and tie it to your ponytail. For more security, add a bobby pin. Now you can just tie your scarf around the ponytail. It looks beautiful with the long hair. If you have hair like mine, we can make a bun imitation. Like this. And now, wrap your scarf. It looks lovely. For the next style, make a bun on the top of your head. Attach your scarf to the bun and wrap the scarf around. Or, with a large band, you can make a loose wrap for more volume. It looks lovely. The last style is perfect if you wash your hair in the morning and want to have curly hair in the evening. In style. If you use some kinds of hair product, don't take an expensive scarf for this style. Make a band. Tie it around your head like this. By the way, if you like vintage scarves, I will leave a few links to some lovely vintage scarves on Etsy. Now, wrap the strands of hair around your scarf, one by one. If you like scarves, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. It looks very romantic. And don't tell anyone that this is actually a huge hair roller. My hair is getting longer, and most of the time it's easier for me to wear a scarf than style my hair. Et voila! Beautiful beach style waves for your evening. If you want to know more on headscarf style, you can watch these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!